Well, we are celebrating our Adopt a School program. We hold fundraisers year long, and what we try to do is raise funds so we can support some 25 to 28 kids every year, underprivileged kids from the community.
We choose between 25 and 30 kids, and we sit them down. They make out a Christmas list. They do fundraising here. He gives me the money, and I do the shopping and wrapping and bring the kiddos here, and they have lunch and games, and it's just wonderful.
A little child has, got a pure heart, and they get to see what it's like in an environment that they never even imagined, and it's just great. Some of them may grow up someday and be a bus operator. You never know.